And this is the most world famous and the most beautiful lake. It's Moraine Lake. So the canoe rental place, so you can rent your canoe from here, and you can see all those buildings are for the Moraine Lake Lodge.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So you can see like the history of Moraine Lake, where it's all the like how it creates. I think this is the place it shows here in the signboard. All the rocks are falling this way. This lodge is like a most expensive, and you have to book your room at least 2 years ago before you plan to come here. You can see it's all wildflower and your beautiful lodge when you wake up, and you wake up with this view. Oh my god, this is insane. You can see behind the lodge how beautiful it is. Yeah, I did my video almost 9 p.m. I am waiting for to enter the Moraine Lake since afternoon, but this is the high time and it's very tough to enter for Moraine Lake. Either if you drive, either you have to come like a very early morning, 5 a.m. in the morning or more early, or you can wait until 5, 7 or 8 p.m. Then Moraine Lake gate will be open for you and you can come, but you cannot see the actual watercolor because of the sun. You can see it's almost sunset time, so if you want to see the color of the Moraine Lake, you have to come early. So this is the lake lodge. You can it's the Moraine Lake. So you can also climb the rock and see the view from the rock. It's very hard, super hard. I know. And this is the Moraine Lake Lodge entrance. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I cannot explain you guys. It's so pretty. So let's check out the Moraine Lake Lodge. I know, like, this is not the best time to see the Moraine Lake because I tried my best because it's so tough to enter the Moraine Lake. So definitely I'm gonna try another day to come here. With shuttle bus is best to, if you want to take a shuttle bus from Lake Louise or Banff town, it's easier. Oh, look at the flies. So there is a phone booth, and Moraine Lake has no network. So if you lost, you can use this phone because there is no network. Oh my god, that's too much flies. You are in like a real wilderness. Look, and there in the Moraine Lake there is a very famous hike. It's called Tower of Babel. So I think this is the Tower of Babel. So you can see the whole Moraine Lake from the Tower of Babel. Let's try and climb the rock if we can. I'm not sure I can do it or no. Let's try. Okay. Oh! Oh my god! And you can see all the tree is floating on the water. It's scary. So look, I'm almost there. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Let's climb the rock. Let's climb the rock and I will continue. Now I'm here. It's very hard to climb. Oh my god, this is it. I cannot. I wish I can climb more, but it's almost already. It's dark now, and my legs are shaking. This is it.